The type of formula that a baby consumes is very important. Many mothers that cannot or choose not to breastfeed are constantly looking for the best formula for their babies.
The process of finding a baby formula that agrees with a baby's sensitive digestive system can be touch and go.
However, there is the Similac Alimentum hypoallergenic formula, which many mothers have found to be very good for babies that are having issues consuming other formulas.
The Similac Alimentum hypoallergenic formula is preferred by many mothers as the formula to use if a baby that has problems digesting some of the other formulas.
This particular formula is gentle on a baby's stomach because it is made specifically for babies with food allergies and colic.
The formula is made with hydrolyzed proteins which can be easily broken down by a baby's digestive system.
This is considered one of the best formulas for infants that are having obvious problems with traditional and soy-based baby formulas.
For parents that are wondering if Similac Alimentum hypoallergenic formula is right for their baby, there are a number of symptoms which are associated with protein sensitivity in infants.
Symptoms such as increased, prolonged periods of crying after consuming some of the traditional formulas is a definite sign that your baby may have a problem with digesting some of the more common formulas.
Rashes, diarrhea and sleeping problems are also signs that a baby has some digestive problems that will have to be addressed in order to provide proper nourishment.
The Similac Alimentum hypoallergenic formula is definitely a representation of the term "you get what you pay for."
Of all the formulas on the market, this is the most expensive.
A case of 6 cans of this formula can cost more than $100 depending on where it is purchased.
This is because the formula is extra gentle and the ingredients are easily consumed by babies.
Most parents that have colicky babies believe that this formula is worth its price and then some because it nourishes a baby. But it doesn't cause a baby to have many of the physical problems that occur after consuming formula.
When purchasing the Similac Alimentum hypoallergenic formula, it is available in different types.
The most popular type of formula is the ready mix powder. The parent can simply add water to the powder per the instructions.
There are also ready-to-feed formulas that are available in quart-sized reclosable bottles, 8 ounces cans and 2 ounces nibble-ready bottles.
These types of formula give parents the option of mixing their own formula or purchasing the formula ready to consume.
Little babies shouldn't have to suffer from digestive problems as a result of the type of formula they are drinking. There are very effective hypoallergenic alternatives available.
One of the best options available on the market is the Similac Alimentum hypoallergenic formula.
Parents everywhere are singing its praises as one of the best formulas to purchase for babies with a sensitive digestive system.